So, guys, there are thousands of AI tools which are helping people to earn money, but they are not free. So, what does that mean? That you won't be able to earn money from those tools. And that's why I have bought a list of 5 free and legit AI tools that can help you earn money online in 2026 and without even spending a dollar on AI tools subscription. So, let's start our list of 5 free AI tools. And the number one in our list is none other than ChatGPT. I know there is a pro version of ChatGPT, but you don't need to upgrade to the pro version of ChatGPT. You will be using the free version of ChatGPT, and that will be helping you to create YouTube scripts, articles, ebooks, business ideas, and email campaigns. Now, there are many who are using ChatGPT already and they don't find it useful, but I want you to use it in a professional manner. Right now, you are not using it in a professional manner, but in a fun way. So, what I want you to do is that start using ChatGPT in more professional manner, and you will find that you are creating some value and you will be getting paid for that. And what you could do for after building ebook, YouTube script, or business idea, you will be either selling it on Gumroad or either then or selling it directly to the client. And if I talk about the earning potential, you can easily earn more than $200 a month using ChatGPT and selling services with the help of ChatGPT. And the number two AI tool in our list is Canva AI. What Canva AI will be helping you with is that it will be building thumbnails, Pinterest pins, and Instagram carousels or social media posters. And if you are able to create one or either of them, you will be selling them between 5 to $15 per post. And I would say you would be easily earning more than $150 a month if you are using Canva and then selling those Instagram posters or thumbnails to clients. And the third tool in our list is none other than Runway ML. Let me tell you what Runway ML does is that it generates realistic and cinematic AI videos which are trending these days on Instagram or TikTok. So what you had to do, you had to, get a prompt and paste it on Runway ML and get a realistic video and then sell it or upload it on YouTube or Instagram, and you'll be by this method you will be earning about $500 a month. And the number fourth is ElevenLabs. So many YouTube creators and businesses are required, realistic voiceover for their content and business. So what ElevenLabs do is that it generates realistic voiceovers. So you can use it to earn money by selling, voiceover to creators and businesses. So if I talk about the earning potential of this, by using this AI tool, you can easily earn, about $300 a month. So the fifth and the most and the tool with high earning potential is Gamma AI. So what Gamma AI does is that it creates speech decks, creates client presentations and lead magnets. What this means is that you will be helping big businesses and small businesses, and Gamma AI will help you to earn more than $1,000 a month with the help of this free AI uh, so opportunity. And if I talk about earning potential, you can earn more than $1,000 with the help of this tool, because you can easily get about $500 per project. So if you get just 2 projects in a month, you will be earning about $1,000 in just a month without ease. So this was a list of free AI tools, and these are some legit tools, and these are not some kind of fake ones and those who require some credits or stuff like that. So do consider them checking out, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments and I would love to address it. And that's it for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching.